Foshan, Tanfon Energy Technology Company Limited is an advanced factory focusing on the R&D, manufacturing and production of lithium batteries. The lithium batteries produced are used in home energy storage, container energy storage, electric vehicles, and other fields. Tanfon conducts strict inspection and testing in every aspect of the process, from raw material procurement to production. Tanfon uses CATL as a raw material to produce lithium solar battery packs, so our batteries have a cycle life of over 6,000 times. Lithium battery has a built-in BMS that monitors, controls, and protects the battery pack to ensure its safe operation and improve its performance and lifespan. Our products have passed CE, RoHS, and TUV certificates, and lithium batteries are subject to 100% full load aging testing to ensure quality. All products will be sent to the test aging station for more than 8 hours of full load aging inspection. After the aging inspection is completed, it will be sent to the system test room to simulate the entire system for load testing. We will provide you with professional installation drawings, user manuals, and installation process videos, so any electrician can easily install Tanfon products. Choose Tanfon Solar Energy to provide customers with high-quality products and excellent services. The unique flexible connection of PERC shingled solar panel can minimize cell cracks that may be caused by module transportation and on-site installation, and control the crack extension. It has a higher service life power output, 2.0% degradation in the first year, 0.55% annual degradation over 25 years. Our products mainly use imported raw materials from Germany and USA, and all materials can be traced through a complete QC system. Our products have passed CE, RoHS, TUV certificate for on- and off-grid inverters, portable solar generator. All are 100% full load aging test to ensure quality. All products, it will be sent to the test and aging station for more than 8 hours of full load aging inspection. After the aging inspection is completed, it will be sent to the system testing room to simulate the entire system under load test. We will provide you the professional installation drawing, user's manual, and installation process video. Any electrician can easily install Tanfon Big Power System. Buy a solar system with IoT. You can get longer warranty, longer life, and save your money.
Why choose Tanfon? German 5S technology, safety industrial solar manufacturer,
360-degree guarantee,
IoT patent,
extended warranty.